Dear my friend, I hope all are very good. You can see at this moment true buffalo in this land. This land uh, full with water, and here is grass. That is why the buffalo track grass and now stand or it wait for go to house all day long. Uh, Two buffalo stay here, and the surrounding place is very fine. The sky is full of water. You can see really amazing scenery. You can see fine. All side green and green, and this is over rainwater. You can see this land full of water. You can understand. Uh, for this rain, this road is already damaged. Boys are walking in the road.